Tsonis, Arizona. The reason why I wanted to come to Drone Command Live was to truly learn from the best and to make myself a better drone business owner. After the first day on day one, I've already learned a lot of things that would have never been thought of. The amount of information that is promised and has been talked about to this point um, can do nothing but make your business venture much more successful. Yeah, I would pay full price for this. I wouldn't argue about it at all next time if I had to pay full price. I think the opportunity is not given by a lot of people, and to receive this opportunity and the chance to make my family's future brighter, it's amazing. I recommend it to everybody. I think you're crazy if you're trying to do drones as a business that getting as much information about what you're doing as humanly possible is crazy if you pass it up. And this is so far absolutely fantastic. Damon and Diego, I would have to say, so far have they talk to you like a human. They explain things the way they're supposed to be explained. Um, makes it easier to learn and to digest when somebody's talking to you like a human, not a computer. Really would just have to say that, you know, if I could go back and talk to myself, I would tell myself no matter what, you need to attend Drone Command Live virtual event, no matter what the cost. Hello, Tsonis, sunny Phoenix, Arizona, taking Drone Command Live. Today we're focusing on the marketing. Drone Command Live is giving you so much information that I would have never thought of before. I've owned a business before, and obviously I'm doing this, so that didn't work out well, and I'm learning a lot of things right now that probably would have made my first venture in starting my own business a lot easier. The information is a lot. Be prepared if you do take Drone Command Live to write a lot of things down. Notes. But Drone Command Live, I definitely would recommend doing it if you're looking to get into the drone industry. It makes sense. And plus, right now at the beginning of this industry, why wouldn't you want to put yourself in the best spot? Drone Command Live virtual event is just, you have to. I can't stress enough. Please, don't miss this. Don't miss it. Take the opportunity. It's an opportunity that can't be missed. Thank you.